Growing up on Guam was absolutely ideal because you knew everyone in every village, never having to lock a door, riding around the island, sitting in the back of a pickup truck on Sunday after Mass, going out to the ranch. We were blessed with so much of family and friends. This is the type of memory I would like for each of us to be able to share with our children. We have some serious realities that we have to face. Our Manumco have suffered for decades, waiting and praying for their reparations that they have been promised time and again. Our veterans have waited for decades. So many of them have received more hardship than help. It is important that we address the compact and the destructive effects it is having on our culture, our economy, and our way of life. With the repeal of the Jones Act, we would have extra money in each and every one of our pockets to enjoy our lives and spend differently. If we want to have something different come out of Washington, we need to make a different choice this November 4th. We cannot allow our chair to be empty, our voice not to be heard. I am not a career politician. I am a successful businesswoman, and I'm here to serve you and get the job done. I am Margaret McDonald Glover Metcalf. I am Chamorro. Guam is my home. I hear you, and I humbly ask for your vote.